It's too hot still.
Plaza Delia Independencia.
What? Sarah?
Plaza Delia Independencia.
Yeah.
Plaza Independence.
It's nearly, what is that, 6 o'clock? It's nearly 6 o'clock.
7:33 na, uy.
Huh? 7?
7:33 na, oh.
Oh, okay. It's nearly 8 o'clock, but still 38 degrees here.
38 degrees, my God.
Oh, so hot. See?
We just finished eating.
And what did you eat?
Sushi burrito.
Sushi burrito.
And the cookie bowl.
And you still have one in your pocket?
In my bag. Half. I couldn't finish.
So this is the park. We'll go on the park, yeah? The park. So hot. Why? Look at this, maybe. What is that? Benito Ricasole. Who is Benito Ricasole? Do you know? DCCCX66. I don't know what's that. There's a number here, Benito Ricasoli, and the number is DCCCXCVII. What is that? We'll convert that to numerals later on. We'll go walk and walk. So again guys, we are in Florence now already. Florence, Italy. There are park for the kids. And for kids. And there's another statue there at the end. What's the name? I don't know. Just forget that name. Even the air is still hot. What the? Now, back to the YouTuber.
Sino ba, Gerald? Nagkukay lang building dyan, guys. Padili pareha sa Manila nga tag-as. Tarawan yung mga hotel. Wala na siya square, pero naka-molding. Parehas na sila doon, mga design sa Roma.
Roma old houses lang, old buildings.
Italy man kaya po dito. So, mga molding ginagawa po lang po. Yung mga building.
Okay. Bye-bye.